I'm Mandu and welcome back to my channel. So adding to my Forest Friends collection with Polymer Tsundere big bro is Tailo. He's a gruffly bear that stubbornly charges through the forest on a mission. Built like a sturdy tree with a scar from tough experiences, he comes off burly with bristles. But despite his rough outwardly appearance, he's actually a soft teddy bear that offers considerately kind gestures unasked. Always hungry, but will always give you a heaping portion of food first before serving himself. A beloved big brother to all. Polymer and Tailo have this unbreakable brotherly bond, and I hope that they could be great forest friends for you as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up to like, comment, or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.